Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable Ask before starting downloads for Samsung Internet on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen and then open up the Samsung Internet app. Next, in here, tap on the menu key and then tap on settings. In settings, you want to go down and tap on Sites and Downloads. Next, go to the Downloads section and tap on Ask before starting downloads. Tap on the toggle button to switch it on or turn it off. And that's it. If you turn this one on before you try to download something, it will ask you to confirm if you really want to download it. Otherwise, you can just switch it off so that whenever you tap on, say, like a PDF file, your phone will immediately start to download the file to download it. And after that, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.